unboxing and trying out for the very first time Makiage Foundation. You guys have probably seen all of the ads for this foundation. I have been bombarded with it for the last couple years, and now I think it's actually time to give it a try. I did the entire little like questionnaire that they do in order to find like the right shade. These guys claim that they can actually get you within your correct foundation shade, your tone, like whether cool, warm, or neutral, and the style that if you like it buildable and stuff. A couple questions on like skin tone, and then hopefully this is the right color that is for you. So that's kind of interesting, doing a online order of foundation and expecting that this will be close or supersede any of the other foundations that I've bought previously. So let's open this up and take a look at the foundation shade that they decided to send me. All right, so how it works. Try your products, so you get to try it free for 14 days. They do put a hold on your account, just so that you know. If I do end up liking this foundation and then purchasing it, it will be about $60. So $60 for one bottle of foundation. Is it worth it? Is this foundation worth $60? Let's find out. All right, so they have a little info card on how to actually put it on. So they say to get it right, you want to blend out with a brush or a sponge. I have a brand new beauty sponge that I'm going to be using. This is from Real Techniques sponge, just the standard orange sponge that I will be using with the foundation. So apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge. Wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set. Don't match to your neck or wrist, as those are different tones. That is completely true. You do want to match more to like your cheek, neck, jaw line. You want to finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. So that's why they give you 14 days to try this makeup out. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? That's the question that we want to answer. Okay, so the shade that they gave me is the Flawless Base Foundation, Woke Up Like This, and I believe it's number 35. Number 35, Woke Up Like This. Get out of the box. And this is the shade. So, just looking at it, frosted glass, it's close, right? It's very, very close. Let's give it a go, give it a go, give it a go. Gonna try it out. Okay, so 2 pumps. And I went with the like medium buildable. I did not go with the like cover your entire face, like I want a second mask. My first mask is not good enough. Okay, so just first 2 pumps, not gonna be enough. I'm gonna do another pump. So blending it out with a sponge. My first immediate impression is that the 2 pumps that they described to use, that's not going to be enough to do my entire face, my neck, my jawline, all of it. I can also see that it doesn't really move very well on the skin. It's kind of seeming to be patchy with color, where I'm not able to really blend out. So instead of going with a sponge, I'm going to try a brush. Let me go get my complexion brush from Moda. Okay, so I've got my complexion brush from Moda, and I'm just gonna try to see if I can blend out / build up. I've got a couple spots where I'm starting to kind of like break out and stuff after my cycle. So I want to see if this can actually like build upon and kind of hide those a little bit, and then just even out the color just a little bit. It's just seeming to be a little patchy to me. Not sure if the camera picks that up or not, but I just feel like it's kind of not blending out well. So let's try it with the brush. So making an absolute mess. Okay, and then my most other problem area is actually my eyelids. You can pretty much see like all the veins, all the coloring, all of that on my eyelids. So I'm gonna put a little bit more foundation there to kind of give me a concealer base, and then I think we'll give it the dry time that it recommends, and then we'll take a look at it and see how we feel about it. Okay, so it says wait 5 minutes. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes. Okay, it's been way longer than 5 minutes, and I've determined that it's the wrong shade. I think it's just the undertone. In some lights, it looks really just too red. It looks way too tan. I think it's a nice color, but not for me. So I'm going to continue on. I might layer a little bit more on just to kind of fix some problem areas. Like, honestly, how I feel is that I'm wearing like a shade of bronzer all over my face. It's not bad, it's just not great either. All right, so final review, final thoughts on Il Makiage. I don't hate it by any means. I think that if I can get the right shade, and tone that I need, I don't think this is a bad shade. I think this might be a shade that I might use during full summer when I'm a little bit more tan. I think it's great. I just think that I need to retake the quiz, get the right shade, and then I'm totally down for actually doing an extended review on this product. I think that first impressions of it, I don't mind it at all. I think being able to like blend it out with either a sponge or a makeup brush, that is perfect. I was able to either use the beauty sponge or my Moda complexion brush. So this actually, it worked really well with these two items. I think you can actually use it to conceal and cover some blemish spots and stuff. I did have those this last week. So it worked pretty well on that. Like you can still kind of see it like up close, but when you're away or on camera, I mean, my skin looks pretty flawless. It doesn't look too bad. I could use this shade. I really could, but I'm gonna send it back and I'm gonna retake the test and I will see if I can get a better shade, and that might become my new foundation that I actually main for a while to give you guys an extended review of the product. Does it actually work? Is it worth $60 for this bottle of foundation? I mean, it lasts 18 months. It's 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce of foundation. If it's flawless and beautiful, it works and wears well, then I might consider it. But that's still a hefty price for makeup and foundation. Me not being a makeup foundation kind of person, I don't know. That's a lot of money, you guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments section what you guys think. All right, so we're back with the next box. So they ended up sending me Il Makiage number 35. Woke up like this. This ended up being a bit too orange, and so I sent them an email and they quickly responded to me. They asked a couple of quick questions. And I answered those questions, and then they went ahead and sent me a brand new bottle to try out. They refunded me the amount for this product, and they also told me that I can either keep it or give it to somebody that I love. So I won't be using this. It's way too orange for me, but I've got that. And so they sent me number 20. Woke up like this. So let's open this up, give this one a go, and cross our fingers that this is now the correct foundation shade for me. All right, so number 20 woke up like this. And the shade color, it does seem way less orange. So this is the new shade that they just sent me. It definitely does look closer than this, but it might still be a bit too yellow. I don't know. Let's see. Let's put it on and let's test it out. Okay, Okay, so that was just 2 pumps for like my jaw, cheek down. But so far, the shade actually, it looks better this time. Definitely better. And just like that, we are done. All right, so this is the final look. The foundation wise, I think this is the right color. I think this is correct. It doesn't look too bronzy. It doesn't look too pale. It seems to actually match my neckline pretty well. And it's been more than 5 minutes, so it's definitely sat down. It's good to go. We're gonna wear it the rest of the day and see how it goes, but so far so well. What I would say though is the last foundation shade that was incorrect, I actually did end up just keeping it on and wearing it all day. The way that it wore, I was telling my husband that if the next shade did actually match and it was really nice, that I kind of would consider purchasing this, even though I know it's like $50 for this bottle of foundation. That does seem like a lot. But if it's good foundation, it's worth it, right? I don't know. It depends on how much you use makeup and what kind of products you like to use and what you're looking for. For me, I was looking for something that was lightweight, still buildable, that didn't make me break out. I would say that because I wore this foundation last time, the incorrect color, and I left it on, I forgot to wash my face that night, and I didn't actually break out further than what I was already breaking out. So the foundation itself did not irritate my skin. So I do look for foundations and makeups that they're hypoallergenic, they're not gonna make you break out, that are typically fragrance free. This did smell a little chemically at the beginning. It is seeming to smell just fine now, just like the other one. So I'm not sure exactly what that's all about, but I think that this foundation overall, when I was wearing the incorrect shade, it actually wore really well. It lasted all day long. I didn't have any cracking or breaking down or anything like that, but the shade was wrong. The tone of it was completely wrong. So this I like far better. This looks like way more natural, actually looks like my skin. And I don't know, how does it translate on camera? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this foundation. If you've tried it and you liked it or hated it, let me know why in the comment section, and let's chat about it. Let's see if this is a good foundation or not. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.